Welcome to Drew Tutorial, guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change themes and backgrounds in your Microsoft Excel application. So as you can see, I'm in Excel right now and it looks like the typical or default Excel look, right? So I'm going to show you how to nice this up. So once you're here, simply click on the file on the upper left hand side, then click on options here. Now under general, you want to scroll down to where it says personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, right? And here you have the Office backgrounds and you also have the Office theme. So if you click an Office background, you have a bunch of different options that you can choose from. So let's say I would like to use, for example, geometry. You can simply click on that. And if you click on OK and have a look at the top, you realize that it's now showing in geometry. But with this color, the color combination, it's not so visible. So let's change the theme, right? So simply click on File again, go back to the options, and here you want to change this from system default to, let's say, use the white. So if you click on white, click on OK, have a look at that. It looks really nice, right? And you can change this to whatever you want. So I'm going to go back in here and play around with something else. And let's say I will use, for example, the dual circles. I can click on that, then click on OK, and you see it changes again. And that's how you can easily go ahead and change the themes and also the backgrounds in your Microsoft Excel application. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.